emergency broadcasting.
We're sorry. All circuits are busy now. Will you please try your call again later?
Hello YouTube and preppers, this is the Comms Prepper, back at the retreat location and working on the rainwater collection project again this weekend. And got some of the plumbing done, not all of it. I still need to get some parts, but we did get the downspout actually connected, and the first flush mounted, and the spin down filter mounted. Let me get over here without tripping. So this is what we got done this weekend. We got our 4-inch PVC pipe with gutter adapter. So fresh water from the roof surface will come down this pipe, and we have a slight angle to help the water flow. And that'll come into this T, and that's the first flush. And I put a piece of clear PVC in there so I can kind of monitor what happens when it's actually raining. And inside that piece of PVC pipe is a black plastic ball, if you can see it there. And this piece of pipe laying on the ground over here will actually make up the first flush. So what will happen is the water will come down the gutter into the pipe and drop into that T, and I have to put some elbows, and the water will go into this piece of 4-inch pipe back here, and there's a drip valve in the end. See if I can spin this over so you can see it, and that'll actually be facing down. And as the water backs up in this pipe, the ball will start to float. And when the water backs up, hits that ball, the ball will float up and plug the T and allow the water to travel through the T and then come down here into the spin down filter. So the water will travel on the outside of that stainless screen mesh, hit the chlorine puck that I'll put in the bottom, and then go through the mesh and come out here to this T, which I will plumb over to the first cistern tank over there. And then I'll put another T and run it up over there to the second tank. And if both tanks are full, I think what I'm going to do for my neighbors is run a pipe straight out down there so they could back up their trucks with their water tanks and maybe get some water. If I'm topped off and it's raining, they'll be able to come up here and open up the valve and collect some water. So that's the project there. I still need some more parts. I need 1 elbow, 2 elbows, I need 3 elbows to run this piece. Over here is how this is going to be set up. And that's where the drain will be, or the first flush. And the formula I have, or found online, says that you should throw away the first 10 gallons of rain for every 1,000 square feet of collection area. So this is a little over 400. So I think what I'm going to have here is about a 6 or 7 gallon first flush. And for every 1 foot of 4-inch PVC, it holds 0.64 gallons. So I got to do a little bit of math. But I'll probably have anywhere from 6, maybe 7 gallons going into the first flush. Then the ball will plug the hole and we'll start collecting water through the spin down filter. So that's the progress we've made today on the rainwater collection project. And I'm hoping to get out here next weekend to actually button this up. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with yet again another update on the rainwater collection project. One day I'm going to get this finished. Thanks guys.